Hello everyone! In this video, we'll tackle a common question. How can you tell if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Discover with me some key signs that will help you identify if you've been blocked by a contact. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app to access all the features. Head to the chat of the contact you think might have blocked you. This could be a friend, family member, or any other WhatsApp contact. Try sending a message to that contact. Watch closely to see if the two ticks, which indicate that the message has been delivered, appear after you send the message. If you only see a single tick, this is an important indication. If, in addition to the ticks, you can no longer see that contact's profile picture, it is likely that they have blocked you. This is a clear sign of blocking in WhatsApp. And there you have it, some signs that could suggest that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Remember that these are just signs and not definite confirmations. Some people may have specific privacy settings that affect these indicators. If you find this information useful, like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. If you have any additional experience or tips on this topic, share them in the comments. See you in the next video.